Hi, I'm Anupa and welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Let's make masala dosa. So to make potato and paneer bhaji, let's take some oil, to which we'll add in some mustard seeds. And once they start crackling, like they're crackling right now, we'll add in some asafoetida. Here goes in the curry leaves, and to this we'll add in some chana dal. So after you add in the chana dal, just mix this up well. The chana dal needs to get a little sauteed in the oil. I want it to go a little brown in color. This entire cooking that I'm doing it on low heat. I don't want anything to get burnt. The tempering has to stay fine. Now to this, let's add some onions. After you add in the onions, just saute this up well and let this get cooked. I don't want the onions to brown, but they also need to cook well. So for that, you may have to just leave it in the pan for a while for the onions to get slightly caramelized, if not browned. But let it get cooked. A slightly brown color on the onion will really taste nice. It will go a little sweeter. And along with the paneer, potato, it will taste nice. So the onion is getting cooked in the pan. And here for the bhaji, I need to use paneer. This is a 200 gram block which I'm going to cut into small cubes because it really tastes nice if the paneer gets blended with the potato in the bhaji. So coming back to the onions are really sauteed well. And now to this, we'll add in a little bit of green chilies. Then we'll add in some boiled potato pieces, some nice paneer pieces, these are chopped. And after this, let's add in some fresh coriander. So all of this together, mix it up well. As of now, this bhaji looks quite dry. I wanted to go a little more mashy. So how do you do that? Very simple. We need to sprinkle some water over it, cover it with a lid and then let it cook for even longer. So what I'm going to do is take some water in my hand like this and that's it. What I'll do is I'll cover this. I'll lower the heat. I want the paneer and the potato to go softer. It'll taste nice. The soft vegetables along with nice crispy dosa. What an ideal combination. So what I'll do is I'll cover this, I'll let this cook, and along with the dosa, I want the vegetables to be nice and soft, very flavorful. I've yet to add the lemon juice, but we'll add it at the end because it is going to give a lovely taste to this entire thing. So I have kept a tawa here to heat in which I'm going to put the dosa, and let's check on the bhaji. Okay, I can see that the vegetables have absorbed all the water that we had sprinkled, and I can see that it has gone softer. What I'll do is I'll lightly mash this up. Even if the paneer gets mashed, I'm fine with that. This is done. Last thing, like I said, was lemon juice, and I'll switch off the heat. I have a dosa batter here which is already made and fermented, and it comprises of boiled rice, short grain rice, urad dal and a little bit of methi. So after you have ground all of this together, you leave the batter overnight outside and then it ferments, and this is how it looks. So this is a very nice fermented dosa batter. Now to this we'll add in some salt and just mix the batter well. So let's take a portion of this batter. Take some oil and drizzle it on the sides like this. And we want this to go nice and crisp. So for that, be patient. We let this cook slowly. Once the center dries up, we'll put it in the bhaji and we'll wait for the dosa to go crisp, and then we'll fold it and eat it immediately. So now on one side of this dosa, let's put the bhaji and remove one side and just fold this over. So this dosa is done. Let's bring it out on a plate. Well, this is going to be my lunch for today. What about you? You also can make this recipe, and I'm sure you'll be very happy with the bhaji. So do try it for sure. I'm sure you all love our recipes. So to stay connected, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.